In today's video, I am going to teach you how to print selected area PDF in Adobe Acrobat latest upgrade. By the end, you'll know exactly how to isolate a specific portion of any PDF and print just that area, without exporting or editing the original file. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, or Acrobat Reader. The process is the same in both, and the interface may look slightly different depending on your version. But the tools we'll use are consistent. Now, we're going to activate the snapshot tool. Look to the top left and open the hamburger menu. From there, choose Undo, Redo, and More, and then select Take a Snapshot. If you prefer, you can also go to the Edit menu at the top and click Take a Snapshot. Both paths open the same tool, so use whichever is easier to find in your setup. Your cursor will change to indicate you can draw a selection. Click and drag a rectangle around the exact portion of the page you want to print. Take your time here. This selection defines what will be sent to the printer. If you are not happy with the outline, simply click elsewhere and draw the rectangle again until it's perfect. When you release the mouse, a small pop-up will confirm that the selection has been copied. That's your sign that Acrobat recognized the area correctly. You'll also typically see a highlight around your selection on the page. Next, open the Print dialog. You can click the print icon on the toolbar, or go to File and then Print. Either route will bring up the same printing window. In the Print dialog, look for the Pages to Print section. Instead of printing all pages or a page range, choose the selected graphic option. This tells Acrobat to use the exact rectangle you captured with the snapshot tool as the print area. Now, check page sizing and handling. Choose Fit to scale your selected area, so it fills the printable region of your paper. This is especially helpful if your selection is small and you want it to be easier to read. If it already looks the right size in the preview, you can keep it as is. But Fit is a quick way to maximize clarity without changing the original PDF. Take a quick glance at the preview to confirm the placement and orientation look correct. When everything looks good, click Print. That's it. Thanks for watching.